people walk all over you? Watch this. Are you a yes man or a yes woman? Do people seem to take advantage of you? Do you find a hard time saying no to some people? Well, in this video, we'll explain why this is wrong and how to stop it. The hard truth that we all have to learn, and we should have learned earlier, is that you can't please everyone. Not everyone's gonna like you. It's just not possible. There are too many vibrations in this world for that to be the case. Someone out there just can't stand you, and a lot of the times they don't know why. And that's okay. I'm sure there is someone you can't stand as well. This is important to know because we as humans may try to say yes to people and say yes to people's requests, and so that they continue to like us, even if we don't want to do anything they're asking. Maybe we said no to someone in the past and they forgot about all the times that we helped them and instead hyper-focused on the time that we said no. It's irritating. But the hard truth, or rather easy truth, is that people are gonna be in your life if they're meant to be in your life, whether you say yes or no. The more you do favors without any return, these people will walk all over you. And as a test, go ahead, try to ask the same from them and see how quickly they'll disappear. You are spreading your energy way too thin. If you want to create the life you want, you have to learn to stand up for yourself. I know it's hard when family or close friends need help. It's probably in your very nature to be a helper. But if it's in your nature to be a helper, then what service are you doing by not helping yourself? Here's what you should do. First off, love yourself. I know it sounds cliche, but it's the truth. If you don't love yourself, you will let everyone and their mama walk all over you, and nothing's gonna change. But here's what you do after you do love yourself, which I'm guessing you do since you clicked this video. I want you to say no to as many people as you can today. Don't be rude or mean, but just tell them that you're too busy today. If they ask with what, just say it doesn't matter. I'm just busy and I need to look after myself today. This will probably feel very uncomfortable to you since your subconscious programming now is to say yes to everyone. This doesn't mean that if someone is hurt or really in dire need, you say no, but for minor things like driving someone somewhere or whatever that might be, just say no. You want to learn to get comfortable with no. They will go and find another yes person. Sadly, this may mean that you see less of this person. But was this person really someone that you wanted in your life, if only to ask you for favors? Here is the sweet, tasty good news. Once you stop letting people walk all over you, the real fun begins. You free up so much energy to manifest anything you want in your life, and you'll do it quicker and faster than ever. So go say no, nope, nah, not today, and don't feel bad. And listen, don't do it because some random guy on YouTube told you to do it. You need to find the reason, and you need to take a hard look at what's going on and step in. No one will love you like you love you. No one wants to see you prosper more than you do. No one is going to care for you more than you can. Love yourself. Be kind to yourself. Treat yourself. Thanks for watching.